Greetings everyone, Instagram lovers. Back with another tutorial. Today, I'll show you step by step how to create a group on Instagram so you can connect with your friends, family or colleagues more efficiently. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. Make sure you have the latest version to take advantage of all the latest features. Head to the direct message icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Within direct messages, find and click on the pencil icon also located in the top right corner. This is where we begin the process of creating our group. Within the creation menu, you will find the Create Group Chat option. Click on it to start the process of creating your group. Now, choose the people you want to include in your group. Take your time to carefully select the participants. You can search for them in the search bar to facilitate the process. Once you have selected the participants, press the Create Group button. And that's it. You have successfully created your group on Instagram. That's it, folks. You now know how to create a group on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in the next video.